That guy right there is the one I'm worried about. Chris is all like, don't worry about that guy. That guy ain't gonna do nothing. Yep. But on TV, they said that there's no rotations over Fountain.
Bullshit, that's a rotation, see it?
Yep, I totally see that.
You can't miss
My camera won't zoom in well. Yeah, video camera.
Fuck! I just got chilly.
Aw, the sun. If that sun comes out, that's going to cause even more problems. I smell the rain coming.
Shit. I'll be happy if we get 2 drops. I'll be like, woo! 2 drops of rain!
That drag off that cigarette gave me cotton mouth for some reason.
It's a pot cigarette.
Really? Give me more! Oh man. I think I can hear the rain hitting concrete in places. Wow. And my aunt. I have an aunt that lives up in Castle Rock, and she has a video of a phone cloud coming out. Pikes Peak.
Holy shit, they've got coal. I'm like freezing my balls.
Oh man, I wish you could see the other side of those. That looks scary. I could stand up in their truck. Whoa. I can't believe we haven't seen any lightning yet. That's kind of odd.
Hey, don't say that. We might get hit.
Wow.
You're gonna give me a pretty picture. Okay, alright, let's go. Crafts.
Alright. Yeah, I think I'm gonna head in and check the maps again.